You greedy, gambling, degenerate bastards. Yes, I said it. I am one myself. We are apes and we crush hedge funds. There is no mercy in the stock market. They sure don't have mercy on us, so we don't have mercy on them. But in this video, we are going to acknowledge the fact that Melvin Capitol has lost 46% in the first half of 2021, as well as go over a statement that upper end management is telling their employees to watch our messaging boards, the apes, the retail investors, to essentially make trades and follow our moves because we are obviously winning here, and tie this in on my whole theory on the hedge funds and institutions actually jumping in once the short squeeze does happen, and give you guys the latest of what I am thinking this is going to imply for the AMC short squeeze. So let's not waste any time getting into the video. The only thing that I ask is that you hit that like button for me and consider subscribing to the channel, as well as comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this, because they said this themselves. This is not implying a single thing. This was their own wording. Now, before we get into the video, guys, I can't go any further without acknowledging I am Stump in the Discord with the buy and sell alerts. You are awesome, man. Thank you for providing all of your awesome information on a daily basis. We all do appreciate you. And if you guys want to join this community where we source great information all day long, as you can tell, as well as be notified every single time a trade is made, whether that is a long-term investment, a day trade with stocks, options, or crypto, or just swing trades in general, like I said, you'll be notified in real time. So check that out, link down below in the description for the buy and sell alerts. But getting into this article, guys, it is titled GameStop short seller Melvin Capitol ended 2021 first half with 46% loss. It says GameStop Corp short seller Melvin Capitol Management LP ended the first half of 2021 with a loss of 46%, Bloomberg reported Thursday, citing people familiar with the matter. What happened? Founded in 2014 by Gabe Plotkin, a former portfolio manager for Steve Cohen, Melvin Capitol was at the heart of the GameStop saga earlier this year. The fund, which managed $11 billion in assets as of June 1st, is taking smaller sized positions to limit exposure to single companies, as per the report. Plotkin has reportedly instructed his team of data scientists to watch social media and message boards to look for shares that are seeing high support from retail investors. Now, with this being said, we're going to talk about this, yes, but I also want to take a look at the actual hedge funds and institutions that still have short positions in AMC, specifically Citadel and other large hedgies. Now, with that being said, this literally explains it all to you guys. Let me reread this just so you understand exactly what is being said here. Plotkin, the founder of Melvin Capitol, has reportedly instructed his team of data scientists to watch social media and message boards to look for shares that are seeing high support from retail investors. If you can't beat them, you might as well join them. That's basically what he is saying here. Now, why is this so good when it does come to the AMC short squeeze? That is because once you do get these technical signs and factors that we are watching for on a daily basis, which, just to be clear, we are primed for another pop in AMC stock. Forget the move we did see today, down 3.65%, but nevertheless, once these algorithmic trading programs do actually start to pick up on the technical analysis as well as their data scientists, you are going to see a lot of hedge funds and institutions jump in this trade with us. So we do know, as of right now, we have about 100 million shares that do need to be covered. We know there's a lot of synthetic shorted shares that are currently out there. We know FINRA may be exposing those as early as about 30 days from now, or as soon as 30 days from now. This could be a huge catalyst to send AMC shares up higher. We also know there is a huge, large percentage of people, just traders in the market, that are waiting for the short squeeze to jump in and buy this thing up and ultimately get in and get out. We also do know there is FOMO buyers everywhere that are going to be jumping in because this is the next best long-term investment. Now, we know this is a technical trade, but a lot of people aren't as educated as us apes when it does come to the stock market in general. They see a stock up 20, 30, 40, 50%, 100%. They just buy it regardless. Now, that is all helping our movement here. Now, there's other factors we do know as well, like AMC is on the threshold security list, and there is quite a bit of failure to delivers that do have to be bought back. So there's about 7 different things here that all lead to the same thing, and that is AMC and the mother of all short squeezes is coming, and it's coming very hard, guys. We are also going to see, I guess there's 8, we are also going to see a lot of options activity and lead to a huge gamma squeeze as well. Now, this is all great news, specifically them giving us confirmation, by them I mean Melvin Capitol, that they're actually looking to join the ape community and trade off of what we are trading off of. Now, some people might think this is a bad thing, but I don't whatsoever. Now, it's gonna make the price movements of AMC be a lot more aggressive, right? You're gonna see a lot more money flowing into AMC and flowing out of AMC at a very fast, rapid rate, but nevertheless, that is money flowing into AMC. So if you can catch it at the top or whenever you really want to sell out, that is a great thing. And I encourage hedge funds and institutions to jump into the AMC short squeeze once it is actually started. And that is one of the bigger reasons right now that I do think this squeeze is going to be absolutely insane. All the other factors included as well. The other 7 factors are just icing on the cake, because we all do know hedge funds and institutions, regardless if you like this or not, they have hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars. Citadel has about $407 billion of capital in their portfolio. If they wanted to, Melvin Capitol or anybody else jump into a stock, that is going to have a huge impact on the share price. Now, if you are already in AMC, that should be music to your ears. Now, some of these guys aren't as smart. They are shorting the stock. Yes, that is also great for us, because this is like a hedge fund on hedge fund battle, an ultimate battle for AMC stock. And I do think that is gonna be the case, as we have seen with the actual institutional buyers right before the short squeeze did happen. So another thing that I am really going to be looking at is to see a lot of hedge funds and institutions actually start to buy AMC stock yet again. As you guys do know, June 1st and June 2nd were the big days for AMC stock. Now, take a look at how many buys we seen in the the week up until the actual short squeeze. Tons of buys. Only one firm sold out, and that was Glenmid Trust Co. NA. Everybody else was buying AMC, and these are all the buys, guys. Millions and millions of shares right before we did start to short squeeze, and then obviously we didn't see another buy come in until June 16th. Look at these buys, millions and millions of shares. Almost 11 million shares right here, 6.5 million, 12.5 million, 171,000, half a million, 9.1 million, 4.2 million, huge amounts of shares. I cannot express that enough. Here's another 3 million, 4 million, 5.6 million, and that's basically it for the large orders. But that is, I mean, roughly, rough math here, about 50 to 70 million shares in total that were bought the week before the short squeeze actually did happen. So that's going to be another factor that I'm going to be watching, as well as shorts that do have short positions in AMC to actually start covering their short positions and be reflected in their filings. Now, this Fintel data does track the filings of all the hedge funds and institutions, so once they do make a move, we will know about it pretty much instantly. Now, we do know Citadel is short 5.6 million shares. We know Jane Street Group is short 4.7 million shares. This was May 21st. Citadel put the short position on. They also did put a long position on at the same time. That was slightly larger. Jane Street Group, this was May 18th as well. So right before the actual short squeeze, this is a bit of hedging as what a lot of these firms are doing. The ones that did not hedge these, though, those are the ones that are really getting hurt. And I do think those are the ones that actually sold out of some of their short positions or covered their short positions. But we do see quite a lot of short positions actually going in for June 25th and from June 16th to July 25th. Not nearly as much activity as we were seeing though. So I'm expecting this activity to pick up, and that will give us a clear sign as to what is coming next. Now, that is the main point of this video though, is to really just nail this home for you guys. What this does mean by other hedge funds and institutions joining the fight that we are fighting. Now, Some of you guys might not like that, like I said, but I do think ultimately it is a great thing for AMC stock. We are crushing the hedgies. There is no need to feel sorry about that. We are degenerate gambling bastards. That is exactly what we are. That is what I am. That is what you are. That is why you watch these videos. That is why you are invested in AMC, to crush the hedgies. Now, that is all for this video. Hit that like button for me, as well as comment down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you guys want to get totally free stock, check out the link for public. No deposit necessary. No need to even link a bank account. You get your free stock in about 3 minutes time, and they do not route your orders to companies like Citadel. Your orders go straight to the lit exchanges. The only other brokerages that do not do that are Fidelity, Merrill Lynch, and then obviously Public. So if you guys are not signed up with that, love the brokerage, definitely check it out, highly recommended. As well as if you guys are not signed up with Webull, deposit $100, get 4 free stocks, each of them potentially worth up to $2,400 a piece. Those links are great, free money. Like I said, if you want to join the buy and sell alerts, that link is also down below in the description. We have been killing it. With all that being said, guys, this is going to conclude the video. I will see you in the next one.